Hey, what's going on? In this video I'm going to be putting some lights on my ceiling. Recently I've been doing a little bit of an addition on, I should say addition. We added onto the loft in our shop, so I have a roof over my head now. Well, I'm still inside, but we added this wall behind me, and I'm going to have a grinding room right in here. And I'm going to be figuring out where I'm putting my lathe and my milling machine. You can see my milling machine right there. We're going to figure out where I can put all my machine tools, and I have a couple other ideas of projects that we'll be doing for organization in here. So let's get to installing the lights. Alright, so these are the lights. They're 8-foot LED lights. I don't remember what they are brightness wise, but they're pretty bright. They're what's lighting the main shop. We have 20 of them in the main area, and I'm going to have 4 in this room and then 2 in the grinding room. Did I say that they're Barina LED lights? Got them on Amazon. Unfortunately, just about every single one of them came with a little bit of damage. The box they came in was absolutely smashed, and they mount to the ceiling using these clips, metal clips. They snap into them. I don't know if it'll focus on that. Whatever. There's a little metal clips that they snap into. And yeah, I think the 6-pack of lights, 6-pack of 8-foot lights was $100, and so that's what we're going to be using. The plan here is to make this as simple as possible for me to install. So I'm going to be using the lines of the plywood to install these. Making sure these are somewhat straight that way. Sinking them down. Moving on to the next one. I'm not really sure what you guys are seeing right now because it's a one-man band here, but and then we test the fit. So this goes right there. And just like that, one light has been installed. You got the tab holding it right there, the one holding it right there, the one holding it right there. And you're all good. Ready to go. Then it's just a matter of wiring them. But for the time being, my plan is to plug this in right here, and then plug this into the wall. Never mind, the freaking cord is not long enough. Plug it in there though, and there you have it. One light is golden. As you can see, the light's not too bad, but it's only one of the 4, and I'll probably have more than that. On the next one. Alright, let's start working on the second one. And then the next light gets put in. She's a little bent, but that's alright. We're going for speed installation here. So that's two. That's with the light with two of the lights on, and that here. I'll turn these lights off. Oh, that turns that off because it's switched. Okay, well that light can't be turned off by itself. Let's see. Okay, that's with just two of the lights on. I looked right at that work light and I can't see anything now. So yeah, that's with two of them, and this overhead light hooked up right now. Pretty good. Now we just gotta run power. Gotta run power into this, from this switch into this switch, so the wires that are coming into this box have power, and it goes up into there, across and into each one of these boxes, and then all of them will turn on with that one switch. So that first switch will control the overhead lights, and that one will control that light and anything that's plugged into that switch right there. Next up, installing the lights in this room. Even though I don't really need it right now, I'm going to install them now. Now comes the real question. Where do I put these lights? I'm thinking on this post, and this post, or this post. Or I could do them this way. Main question is, my welding table's here. I think I'm going to do them this way. The only problem is they're not going to be really centered in the room. So here and here. Let me go get a measure. Nice. Well, that's those lights installed. Hopefully they do their job good. All right, let's see what we got. All right, well, my camera died. I finished wiring that up and grabbed my phone. It wasn't very much. The hot was going into this switch on the bottom, out the top, and then going back up to a light upstairs. What I did is I added another hot lead to that goes up this tube. I sent the neutral and the ground or earth into this other panel and hooked it up into the outlets neutral and ground. So it's getting the neutral and ground from there, and the hot also comes from this outlet too, but it goes into that switch. So then all the stuff from that outlet is going into this switch and then going up into the lights. And let's see, so this switch, to turn that on, turns that on. Turn that off. Now this other switch. Wow, look at that. Fantastic. Just like that. Got beautiful lighting in here. Of course, always room to add more lights. It's nice, looking good. Can't wait for this to be finished and for me to have a nice new feeling shop. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a thumbs up. If you didn't, let me know why. If you have any ideas or suggestions, feel free to let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. It doesn't happen very often, but you know, sometimes I do. But yeah, see you in the next one.